Hello, teacher. My name is Jose Manuel Medina Ramos. My birth date is on January 2nd, and I was born in Trujillo. About my family, I have my mother, and her name is Katia. I have my aunt, and her name is Silvia. I have pets. I have two dogs and one cat. I'm currently studying architecture. About my hobbies. One of my favorite hobbies is listening music, and I love it. And my second hobby is drawing. I love it. I taking this course because I love the English, um, and it's a great language. It's a great course, and I love it. Uh, Thank you so much, and goodbye, teacher.